What if I told you that at every moment of your life, it's the same exact situation as being stuck in traffic? That if Hashem wants the traffic to break open, it will. And if it won't, it won't. Why are you happy? Because in that moment, you realize you can't maneuver. You can't be sophisticated because you're stuck in the back of a car. There's nothing possible for you to do. And what was the natural response for a Jewish person in that situation? Simcha. But that's crazy. I'm stuck in traffic. The answer is joy doesn't come from making things happen that you want. It comes from being simple.
לא ינום ולא יישן, שוירי